Imagine uncovering a surprising secret hidden in one of the most celebrated paintings of the Dutch Golden Age, Rembrandt's iconic Night Watch. What if I told you that the little dog barking in the shadows isn't entirely original, but rather a near-exact copy of another artist's work? This revelation, uncovered quite by chance, challenges our assumptions about artistic originality and inspiration during that era. Anne Lenders, a curator at Amsterdam's renowned Rijksmuseum, stumbled upon this fascinating discovery while visiting an exhibition at the Zeeuws Museum in the southern Netherlands. She noticed a strikingly similar dog in a 1619 pen and ink drawing by Adriaen van de Venne, a fellow Dutch artist. This drawing was part of a book by the poet Jacob Cats, and intriguingly, the original piece belongs to the Rijksmuseum's extensive collection and was also on display. I wasn't actively searching for this. It was completely unexpected, Lenders explained as she stood in the glass-enclosed restoration room where the Night Watch is currently undergoing a meticulous, years-long restoration process. Her keen eye caught the resemblance immediately, prompting a deeper investigation. The comparison between the two dogs revealed astonishing similarities. The exact angle of the head turned slightly to the side, the mouth just ajar, as if mid-bark, the long flowing hair, and the vertically hanging ears. Even the collars they wear are remarkably alike. This level of detail suggests that Rembrandt may have directly referenced Van de Venne's earlier work when painting the dog in his masterpiece. In the composition of the Night Watch, the dog plays a subtle yet important role. Positioned in a dim corner, it crouches and appears to bark near the drummer, Jacob Joris, just behind one of the painting's central figures, Lieutenant Willem van Rutenburg. This small but dynamic element adds tension and life to the bustling scene. This discovery is just the latest in a series of insights emerging from Operation Night Watch, a comprehensive project launched in 2019 to study and restore the massive 379.5 by 453.5 centimeter, 149.4 by 178.5 inches canvas using cutting-edge technology. Rijksmuseum director Taco Dibbets reflected on the ongoing nature of art research. You might think that after centuries of study, we know everything about this painting. But the beauty of great art is that it continues to reveal new secrets. One of the enduring mysteries that remains unresolved is the exact breed of the dog. Experts are divided, debating whether it's a French or Dutch breed, but it's likely that both Rembrandt and Van de Ven exercised some artistic freedom rather than aiming for strict realism. We may never conclusively identify the breed, Dibbets admitted. But what's clear is that this dog was painted with affection and care. But here's where it gets controversial. Does this discovery diminish Rembrandt's originality? Or does it highlight the collaborative and referential nature of art in the 17th century? Was borrowing elements from fellow artists a common practice? Or should it be viewed as a form of creative plagiarism? What do you think? Share your thoughts and join the conversation. Does this change how you view the Night Watch or Rembrandt's genius?